Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter of 6th standard, that is fiber to fabrics. So we will start with the definition of fiber. Fiber is a fine thread-like filament. The finest thread that we see is fiber. And fabric is a cloth which is being woven by fibers, right? So fibers are, we can say simply, these are threads that we use to make our clothes. Now fibers are of two types: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from plants and animals. For example, cotton, jute, silk and wool. And synthetic fibers are those fibers which are made from chemical substances, and they are man-made fiber. One another name of synthetic fiber is artificial fiber, as they are artificially made by men. For example, rayon, nylon, polyester, etc. Now, let's discuss some of the fibers that we get from plants. First one is cotton. We get cotton from cotton plants, and the fiber are called cotton. It is grown in black soil and warm climate. These are requirements for the growth of a cotton plant. Next is jute. Jute is obtained from stem of jute plant. It is the part of plant from where we get jute. Hemp is we get hemp fiber from the hemp plant. Next is flax. Flax we get from linseed plants. Rhea or rami is used for making sails for boat. Boat sails are made by rhea or rami. Last one is coir. It is the fiber which comes from coconut palm. Coir is the fiber that we get from coconut palm. Now, let's discuss the processing of cotton fiber. From the plants till the fibers are made, there are few processes like ginning. Ginning is removal of seeds from the fiber. The cotton is being collected from the plants and its seeds are removed. This process is called ginning. After that, carding. Cleaning and separating of fibers stuck together. Fibers stuck together as it is cotton, so they are being separated. That process is called carding. After that, drawing. Stretching of fiber. Fibers are being stretched. That process is called drawing. Then spinning, drawing yarn threads from cotton fiber. Making threads from cotton is called spinning. And then weaving. Weaving means making cloth from fabric. Fabric are made from the fibers, and spinning is the process in which we get fiber from the cotton plant. Now next is processing of jute. Jute, retting of plant. After harvesting the jute plant, as we have discussed, we get jute from the stem of jute plant. Stalks are retted. They are soaked in water for 10 to 15 days, and after that they becomes soft. After that, stripping. The stalks are stripped to bring out the fibers. After that, washing and drying. After stripping the fibers, it is being washed and dried. Now next is fibers from animal sources. Till now we have discussed fiber from plant sources. Now we will discuss fibers from animal sources. First one is wool. Wool cloth is spun from yarn made from the fibers of the thick fleece of sheep. Wool generally we get from sheep. Sheep are being reared for wool only. Next one is silk. Silk thread is obtained from the saliva of an insect called silkworm. Silkworm are the small insect from which we get silk. Now next is processing of wool. How wool is processed, how wool is prepared from the fleece of sheep. First one is shearing. The process of removal of wool from the sheep's skin. First of all, from the skin of the sheep, the wool is removed. That process is called shearing. After that, grading. The process of separating fleece from the damaged wool. First of all, we have done the shearing, in which the wool has been separated from the skin of sheep. Then, if it has some damaged wool, then it will be separated from the fleece, and this process is called grading. After that, carding. Carding is the process after the wool has been washed and dried. It is passed through the rollers that have teeth. Carding is passing the washed and dried wool through the rollers which have teeth in it to make it straight. After that, the final process is spinning. Spinning is the process by which fibers are gathered together and drawn into a long rope and then twisted to make yarn. Spinning is basically a process from which the fiber is converted into the yarns, or we can say into the threads. Now, next is fabrics are made from yarns, which in turn are made from fibers. The basic thing is fiber. From fiber we get fabric. Means fiber is the basic thing from where we get fabrics. Fabrics are made from yarn, which in turn made from the fibers. Fibers are used to make fabrics. Now next is spinning. The fibers are twisted to make yarn. The process of making yarn from raw fibrous material is called spinning. So spinning is basically a process which is used to make yarn from the raw fibrous material, like wool. Wool is spinning of wool is done to make the cotton threads or wool that we use to knit our sweater. Next is weaving. Making yarn from yarn, it is done by two processes. How we make fabric from a simple yarn. Yarn is nothing but a thread. The process by two sets of yarns are arranged together to form fabrics. Two sets of yarn are arranged together to form fabric. Like this, two sets of yarns are arranged together to form fabric. Next is weaving is the process by two sets of yarns are arranged together to form a fabric. Two sets of yarns are arranged together to form a fabric. It is done on looms. Large hand looms are there for this weaving processes. Weaving involves placing two sets of thread or yarn made of fiber called the warp or weft of the loom. They are called warp or weft. The warps are drawn tight in parallel order with the weft being interplaced at right angles to the warps. Weft are kept at the right angle to the warps. Now, last one is knitting. Knitting is a process by which a single yarn is used to make fabric. It is done by hand or machine. Like you can see your mothers or your neighbors who used to knit. They used to knit sweaters. So you can see that sweaters are being knit by wool. They used to take the wool and then they knit the sweaters. The sweaters that you use during winters are being knit by a fine thread, or we can say fiber. So that's all for today. And next video we will meet with the new chapter of 6th class. Till then, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you and have a good day to all of you.